The lifetime of a vehicle battery is generally 3 to 5 years. Replacing it is not that difficult. Hi everyone, I'm Richard Chen. Today we invited a professional Lexus technician to demonstrate how to replace a Lexus battery yourself. Before replacing it, the most important thing is the safety. So you will need a pair of insulated gloves and a mini ratchet. Finding a battery is the most important. Most of the Lexus vehicle, the battery will be located under the hood, while for the hybrid vehicle, will be located in the trunk. And the most important thing is turn off the engine. That's the step number one. Step number two is find the positive and the negative port. The most important rule of changing battery is disconnect the negative first, then the positive. And when we install the battery, always connect the positive and the last will be negative. So I repeat, always disconnect the negative first and install the negative at the end. Then we take off the bracket. Put new battery back with the right position. Connect the positive port, then the negative port. Put back the bracket. Also, the Lexus battery warranty is about 2 years. So if the battery lost its power or cannot be charged within 2 years, you can replace it with a new battery for free. Another small tip about a battery is if you plan to travel for a long time, in order to avoid the battery drain, you can loosen the negative ring and put aside. In this case, you can reconnect it after return from your trip. This method can prevent the power loss for several months, so you can try for the next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.